This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Roblox password. First, open your web browser or the Roblox app and go to the login page. Look for the Forgot Password or Username link, usually found right below where you would normally type your password. Clicking this link is the crucial first step, as it takes you directly to the page where you can begin the recovery process. It's a straightforward start to regaining access to your account. Once on the reset page, you'll need to verify your identity. Provide either the email address or phone number that you registered with your Roblox account. Roblox will then send a unique 6-digit verification code to that contact method. Be sure to check your email inbox, including spam folders, or your phone's text messages for this code. It's a quick and secure way to confirm you are the account owner. After receiving the verification code, enter it into the provided field on the Roblox website. This confirms your identity and allows you to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to create a completely new password for your account. It's important to choose a strong password, ideally at least 8 characters long, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps keep your account secure from unauthorized access. To keep your Roblox account safe, always use a unique password that you don't use for other services. Consider enabling 2-step verification, which adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone to log in. This simple step can prevent many unauthorized access attempts. Remember, never share your password with anyone, as Roblox staff will never ask for it. Stay vigilant and enjoy your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.